Hi everybody, welcome to Essy Cooks. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this simple and delicious, flavorful lemon vinaigrette. So this one is for the lemon lovers. It is so zesty, citrusy, and delicious. My mom and I both are huge fans of anything that is like just lemon flavor. So this is such an amazing dressing. You can put it on potato salad, you can put it on salad, you can put it on grilled asparagus, you can put it on so many different things. So don't limit yourself to just putting this on like a basic green salad because it goes on so many things. I absolutely love this dressing and I'm super excited to show you guys how to make this. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is start mixing together all of our ingredients. So we've got a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, and then we've got about 3 to 4 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Now, definitely use fresh. We're going to want fresh lemon juice for this, not out of the bottle. It is going to affect the flavor, so I definitely recommend using fresh. And I've got 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Don't worry if you don't like that, you're not going to really taste it. It just binds all the ingredients together. And then I've got 1 teaspoon of sweetener. You can use agave, honey, maple syrup, whatever you like there. I've got 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, and you can use a little bit more, a little bit less depending on your taste. I've got 1 clove of fresh garlic. I want that to be minced, so it's going to mix together really well and put that right into the dressing. I'm putting this all in a mason jar and I'm just going to shake it so it's so fast and easy. Then I'm going to add a little bit of salt and lots of fresh ground black pepper to taste, and I'm just going to put the lid on this. You could whisk it in a bowl if you wanted to instead of the mason jar. I just find this is really easy for storage and it just makes for less dishes and everything like that, which we love. So I'm going to give that a really good shake to combine all of the ingredients, and you can see just like that, it's ready. Alright, now one of the most important things I would say when you're making a salad dressing is to do a taste test, especially when it's so lemony like this one. So taste it, see what you think. If you want to add a little bit more honey or agave, you can add a little bit more of that in. If you're finding the lemon power is just a bit too zippy for you, you just add a little bit more extra virgin olive oil. You can go up to 1/3 cup of olive oil in this recipe if you're finding that the lemon is just a little bit much for you. So I am going to go ahead and do the taste test. Okay, for me, that's perfect. I love that lemon flavor. I'm so excited to put this on my grilled asparagus. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to see more videos like this one, just make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below.